igama lami ngikutandokazi. Laba bebangazi bebembiza ngeghostkazi. Other than being pretty, I was the life of the party. Never had the time to study. Some called me superficial, but I guess they were just being petty. See, not everyone was petite. But see, that just sums up the life that I prioritized. But see, not everyone would have survived. I just wanted to see beyond the pain he caused me in his eyes. I could clearly see a person that loved me. Even if it didn't make sense at that time. Ngaleso sikhathi kweyami inhliziyo wayengumphathi ngisho noma sengandihlinza kusenani. Ngekeleni ngiyamazi soyisona buyaxolise phela noma ngayaphi uyalazi ikhaya. Ngekeleni angishise ngamazi noma kungeka xolise kuzoyaphi ngoba uyeni ikhaya lami. Khaya nube ngithanda ngendlela yakhe phela lo uthanda alifani. Sadly enough, his love for me never revived. And in his hands, I would have never survived. But see, today is not about me, but today is about the life that I was gifted. The body that I was given to retrace my footsteps. When they looked into her eyes and they saw my resemblance and they held her in their arms and they felt my presence the day they named her Untandokazi. This is a piece for the ones whose pieces were snatched but wounds never patched. How their lives changed without agreeing to that chance. I'm sorry, love. I was too young to remember, but I had inherited this. I played no part as an innocent child, and as I was not even born, but I must bear the consequences that come as a result of wounds that have not healed. But then I asked myself, how do we move forward when we're still bitter? Holding on to what the betrayal of our past did to us. Bitterness so deep and hateful, it looks like we're fighting a losing battle. Igama lami ngikutandokazi. Cha ningazi kodwa mhlambe nanyamazi. Ngisho yena ongabizwa ngegama lakhe kodwa vele bengizomazi kanjani umuntu ongazazi. Phela mina ngabizwa ngegama likatandokazi obenezakhe ifise engazazi. Ukuthi kwenzakala ngale saphila ngeke sazi. Iphupho lakhe alifezekanga ngoba phela impilo ayinamnikazi. Ngisho noma selachitheke lakhe igazi bebengelungeli uqhubeke ngathi bebangamazi. Benzothesana salukwazi kodwa izalukwazi zama ngakho konke ukuvikela amaphupho ezizukulwane kodwa salukwazi singabele ukuthi igijimisane nephupho engalazi. Yiqiniso sihlobene ngokwegazi. Kusizana ukukhuluma nani mangabe nizovele ningenzi isono nikutshele ngomkhuleko nokhohla mhlana nikuthwesa impilo engayazi. Lana bancane amazwi ngisho noma ngingamazi ngiyacela nibe ukukhulumela naye ngoba phela mina namazi. Konke ngikubhalile kule nkondlo ngakho-ke ngicela nibe ngishisela naye impepho. Ngoba nithi wayezophumelela ehlakaniphile namaphupha amahle. Cha, angiphiki kuhle konke lokho kodwa benithi ngizoligijimisa kanjani iphupho engalazi. Nanithi ngizolifikela kanjani iphupho elahlula nishumnikazi. Abanye bathi ake nimvakashele emathuleni beshithule lingaziwa ngisho abaphambili. Bathi mhlasi sishiya lo mhlaba sihamba nazo zonke ifiso zethu. Pho beniphelani intandokazi yomunye umphefumulo sokomunye umhlaba. Nikhohlwe kanjani ukuthi yakhe impilo la ingwazi. Khona nithi ngizowafeza kanjani amaphupho ancathile. Kusizana ukukhuluma nani mangabe vele ngeke ngikhulule ngicela ngenkululeko ngizonikhulula kanjani ngingakhululekile. Kusizana ukukhuluma nani ngabe ngizotshela ukuthi ikusasa lami kwezami izandla libe nyazi kahle ukuthi lahamba ngakazalwa. So you see, upon my birth she was also reborn. I am just a vessel here to tell my story because I was told talking will make it better. Well, the stage got me feeling better. Fighting for a life I assumed was better. And I might just get a taste, but see, my journey is just one big test. A reminder to the one that has already passed. Igama lami ngikutandokazi.